Hold on, boys.
Alright, nice morning out here. Gonna go pick up some plywood. So, sitting nice and high. I don't know if you can hear me over the diesel, but yeah. I was gonna set up a tripod and time-lapse myself unloading all that plywood, but there you go. The battery inside almost didn't start when I was picking it up, so I don't want to turn it off, but it's loud as hell, so I guess I can still set up a time-lapse though. From the church nearby just waved at me, so I guess we gotta go chat. When the pastor waves, you gotta talk. Sound right. A little walk around though, so it's I think it's a 1990 something or other Stewart and Stevenson. It's Stewart and Stevenson M1078. I don't think it's been crashed into anything. I think this plastic is just warping from the age. So some big ass Michelins on it. Nice little spare. It's pretty terrifying to drive though, not just because it's not a big truck, it's a sizable thing, but the main reason is that it's leaking air from one of the air brakes, and so anytime you want to brake, you have to like turn the steering wheel hard left, otherwise it'll turn hard right. And I've been beeped at by traffic because it does jerk around a little bit, and it's pretty much as wide as a normal lane. The brakes don't generally work that well. I don't know if that's because of the way it's designed or because of that slight air leak. And the fuel gauge is kind of temperamental too, so the first time I took it for a drive, I wasn't sure if it's, you know, a quarter tank or is it pretty much empty, and the transmission is so slow it kind of jerks around and sometimes doesn't want to speed up, and I didn't know if I'm just running out of diesel or am I actually just the transmission is taking forever to switch, because it does switch, but sometimes it does it faster, sometimes it does it slower. And as far as the brakes, the air leak, you cannot sit in traffic with your foot on the brake, so you have to put it in neutral, and then you have to put emergency brake on, and pretty much every time you stop, especially if it's in a somewhat decent traffic, it's just constant switch, 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 because it's just a push button. There's no like steering wheel rack, or there's no thing for the transmission, not steering rack, but the whatever the transmission called, like on the Suburbans and stuff like that, the stick sticks out of the steering wheel. So, but yeah, been using it as my pickup truck here and there, but we got to figure out what's going on with the battery, so because otherwise I'm not gonna go to Home Depot and leave it running, and I don't want to stall there and just end up puddling around in the parking lot for a while till we get that thing charged up or something. But great success. As long as there's no like nothing there, yeah, we should be okay.
You alright?
Yeah, let's go. Let's do it.
Alright, I hope it's not wet. Hasn't rained for a while. Hold on, boys. Oh man, is it curved there?
I don't think it'll matter.
Sorry, boys.